Honda LaneWatch helps give drivers greater awareness regarding what's going on along the passenger side of the vehicle. The system features a camera mounted on the bottom of the passenger side door mirror. When the right turn signal is activated, an image of the area to the right rear of the vehicle is shown on the display. It's important to point out that this is an enhancement for the driver and not a substitute for visually confirming that it's safe to change lanes. Drivers must always use their mirrors as well as look around and behind the vehicle before changing lanes. A button on the end of the turn signal lever activates a constant real-time display, whether the turn signal has been activated or not. The display includes guidelines to help judge distances. The line closest to the vehicle indicates a distance of about 0 feet behind the rear bumper, and lines extend out from there. These reference lines appear closer to the vehicle than they actually are. Turning the guidelines on or off and changing the display time after the turn indicator has been turned off can be easily done through the display audio screen by selecting Settings, then Camera. Next, select Lane Watch. Now you can choose the options you want.